Hey everybody, it's Lemon Garage here, and I just did a video yesterday on working on this piece of something, and came out here today to work on it again. You guys won't even believe. I am so pissed off. If I had driven this thing to school today, I've been really pissed off. Listen. Nothing. And that sits like that. The battery sits like that until I get it started, and it goes right over there, right in between that middle hash, right between 14 and that other hash. Won't start. And yes, I know I'm low on gas. I tried to shake it, put it in. I put it in damn neutral. I put it in neutral, park. I know it ain't the battery. I told you guys I had that light problem, but I went a whole week without starting it, and it started right up, and now it ain't even starting. I'm really getting there. Really getting pissed off. I don't even know. I hit the alternate. I hit the starter. Couple. Where I got my keys? I hit the starter a couple times with a damn wrench, and that ain't helping. That didn't help. I mean, even if it was like a starter or anything, it would go click, 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 click. And if the cable was loose, it would start sparking, and you could hear it. And neither of them is that happening. And I just bought the battery maybe about 6 months ago, and now it's getting me problems. Getting me so irritated. I mean, look, I had my hose and stuff ready to do some work. I mean, I was getting ready to do some work on that. Got my stuff. I mean, I had my impact. I had that out. I had my ratchet out. I mean, there's chainsaw blades. There's a chainsaw. And there's a husky for monster. Well, I had everything out. I'm so thirsty. I'm not even in the mood to drink a beer. I mean, come on. It's my dogs. Well, that's another video of Lemon Garage. See ya.